Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It's February 23rd, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. A brief glimpse to the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has inched up to 25 from yesterday's 20. Bitcoin dominance is 41.9%. 24-hour volumes at 81 billion. And the overall market cap is 1.76 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Whoa, D minor 7th, add 2 over B flat. What do you say to the chord that has it all? Family, money, vacation, house in the Hamptons. But don't mistake that winning smile for happiness, because every minor chord has a skeleton in its closet. Well, we've had a little pump since our sidebar dark alley transaction with 36.3, rallying up to 38.8 as of right now, which is a 7% pump. I'll take it. My optimistic takeaway is that we continue up and invalidate this head and shoulders pattern. A continuation up to 40K would start the invalidation process. If we zoom out a smidge, we can see we began the coiling process of the symmetrical triangle. We'll likely and hopefully test the 40K resistance, then pop back down to support at, let's say, 37.3-ish, and then back up to 40K for the upside breakout. Now, that's what I'd like to see. What we might also catch is just a straight old-fashioned breakout and continuation up over 40K, flipping this resistance into support and invalidating the head and shoulders pattern for a double word score. And let's just leave the daily chart on a positive note. And check out that noisy little so-and-so, the 4-hour chart. I like this chart. We've made a sweet little rally up to the 20 moving average, slunk down the shoulder just like my cat when I pet it, kind of like a thank you but no thank you. Then broke up and over. Now we've been talking about this inverse head and shoulders pattern for about a week now, and this little pump puts us at the neckline breakout point. This pattern, if played out real proper like, can take us up in over 40K into the 41.5, 42K region. And fingers crossed, that's what the numbers are saying. Now left to its own device, void of the macro instability, we'll likely see this play out. But the geopolitical fundies can change everything. But if you're drinking coffee right now, put a coffee emoji and cheers in that there comment section. Let's cheers to that. Now I have a little bit of homework for you, and if you watch the charts every second of your downtime, like I do, I'd like you to open up the weekly and turn the exponential moving average indicator on, change its input to 100. When you do this, you'll see this line pop up. I made it yellow to subconsciously think caution. Now this is an interesting level of reckoning that we don't really want to go under. Historically, we stay above it, but when we do go underneath, it's rather vicious and painful. If you follow it back, you'll see some of our darker days were spent underneath her. But I wanted to put that up on your chart so you can always check how close and hopefully how far above it we remain. You can see about a month ago we Tootsie dipped underneath briefly and bounced back, and this week we retested it as well. This way you'll always have a quick way of gauging the temperature of the market, where we are, where we've come from, where we might be going. Hey, pianomattyb, is that hidden bullish divergence on the weekly, with price action making higher lows while the MACD's making lower lows? Darn tootin' it is, and thanks for asking. Remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone that you think might like it as well. That way you and I can grow this channel together, because I for sure can't do it without your help. So thanks a bunch, and sing with me now. I'll run the banks of Boomdaschpank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey.